Gratitude is not only greatest of all virtues, but the parent of all other virtues, says Marcus Tullius Cicero. The words of Mrs. Usha today would be, I am filled with abundance, gratitude, and love.
To the world, you may be a teacher, but to your students, you are a heroine. Yes, dear Miss, I consider you as a person who is tall, who is smart, and who is a role model. Yes, you are tall by your thought. You are smart by your presence, and you are a role model by your way of dealing with people and students. As you complete your service in our Don Bosco Metric Higher Secondary School, I take this opportunity to thank in the name of the management, staff and students. May God give you good health to continue to enjoy your life in the days and the years to come. May God bless you, dear Miss.
Mrs. Usha was born on 25th of May 1961. Mr. Rajagopalan, administrative officer, and her mother, Maganammal, is a housewife. Her native place is Puducherry.
Dear Mrs. Usha, wish you a happy retirement. May every day and every moment of your life be fulfilling and filled with joy. Don Bosco, Puducherry. The Salesians in Don Bosco, Puducherry can never forget you for your loving and dedicated service. The school will surely miss you. Best wishes on your retirement. I'm sure the school is going to miss you, and much more, your students will miss you as a teacher, a friend, and a mentor. Enjoy the time with your family and friends. May God continue to bless you with all His choicest blessing. Congratulations once again for the long and dedicated service. Once again, let me wish you a happy retirement. God bless Don Bosco, Puducherry.
She has done her schooling at St. Joseph of Cluny and her college studies at Annamalai University. She was married to Badr Jaman on 10th of November 1980. She has two sons, Asif Jamal and Imran Khan. Mrs. Usha was appointed on 3rd of June 1986. Mrs. Usha has spent important stage of her life in the school.
Mrs. Usha is someone whom I am proud of having her as a staff of Don Bosco, knowing her also for many years, a person who is an asset to Don Bosco School. Always committed to school, always standing by the school, working for the school and working for the welfare of the children. I kept her many years in the kindergarten. For one reason, she was giving the base for the children to grow. In fact, many of the children, when they finish schooling in Don Bosco, will come back, not to meet the principals who are there, but they will come back to meet Mrs. Usha. The love for her because she was caring for them. And she stood for values of our school and the children. I like to wish her the very best wherever she is. May God grant her good health. May she continue this service. I am proud to be working with her in Don Bosco School. God bless you, Mrs. Usha.
She has served in this school for the past 33 years. These 33 years had been important years in the history of Don Bosco Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Puducherry.
Good evening to all. I am extremely happy to felicitate our senior most teacher, Mrs. Usha. Mrs. Usha worked for the fruitfulness of our school for the past 33 years. She has a passion for teaching which remains unique. Her friendliness, creativity, and her energy makes her an excellent teacher. She always motivated our students and stood beside them in each and every moment. She always remained patient and kind even in difficult situations. Fundamentalist character. May God bless you, Miss, with good health and happiness. May you achieve success in your upcoming years. Thank you.
She is always loving and affectionate to the students, good coordinator, and she is always punctual. She is helpful, she maintains good relationship with students and parents, and she is always supportive to the management.
I am happy to say a few words about this efficient, loving and duty conscious teacher. Yes, she is Mrs. Usha. She is known for her punctuality. Till the last day of her retirement, she was so punctual to our school. Dear Miss, I don't feel that I miss you. You are still traveling with me every day through the experiences which I learned from you as my colleague. God bless you for the services you rendered to our school. Thank you.
She is good at making and designing jewelry. She is good at handicraft, and she is loved by all the children in the campus.
Good evening, dear friends. A few words about Mrs. Usha, the senior teacher. I would like to say, when I think of Mrs. Usha, what comes to my mind first and foremost is, I can call her as the first university for many small children who started their life, who started their education here in this institution. She is the first university. I mean to say that she was the first one who taught so many things along with education. And that's why I call her as first university. A wonderful teacher, a wonderful organizer, and second thing, the commitment that she has. A great committed teacher that I have found in Mrs. Usha. We really miss you, ma'am, and this institution will miss you end of this year. As you retire, we wish you all the best and we pray for you, for your good health and for your family members, and this institution will remember you always. God bless you and see you soon.